Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data is not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center, and now here you can turn on or off your flight mode. After turn on or off your flight mode, then check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system. Now scroll down and click on reset phone, and then click on reset Wi-Fi settings. It's mean reset network settings. It will also reset mobile network settings, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. Now click on reset. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.